Hi guys, we all are love to watch games, movies, serial on TV, but now TV is going to smart, and that's why today I am gonna tell you about a smart TV that will be go on sale from March 26. But before start this video, I requested to you please subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon to get exclusive update of my channel. So I am Jyoti Saha, your technology advisor. Let's start. So friends, you all are know that about Xiaomi. Xiaomi is an electronic product manufacturing company, and Xiaomi's sub-brand Redmi has entered into the smart TV world with his new Redmi Smart TV X series. Redmi Smart TV X series will comes in 65, 55 and 50-inch variant, and all three are 4K ready with support Dolby Vision and Dolby Audio. But what is the price of this X series? Redmi Smart TV X series will start from rupees 32,999 for 50-inch variant and 38,999 for 55-inch variant and 57,999 for 65-inch variant. But the main question is when and where will you buy? This X series will go on sale on Amazon.com, mi.com, mi home from 26th March at 12 noon, and it will be also available in offline retail stores. And the good news is Redmi is also offering discount for ICICI Bank credit card holder who get 2,000 rupees off. So now we are talking about the specification of Redmi Smart TV X series. All three variants have same specification and same features, but the difference is the size of the panel display. The display is 4K ready with support for Dolby Vision, HDR10 Plus, Reality Flow, that is commonly known as MEMC, that means motion estimation, motion compensation, and also it supports Xiaomi's own vivid pictures. So now we are talking about the audio output of Redmi Smart TV X series. Redmi Smart TV X series has 30-watt speaker with support DTS Virtual X, DTS HD, Dolby Atmos and Dolby Audio. It has 2GB RAM and 16GB internal storage. It runs the 64-bit quad-core A55 CPU coupled with Mali G52 processor. Now software on this TV is Android 10 with Xiaomi's own Patchwall OS. It supports 16 plus languages, and the TV also comes with the dedicated button for Google Assistant, Netflix and Amazon Prime Video. The main important things that customer wants, the connectivity option. On Redmi Smart TV X series, connectivity options are 3 HDMI 2.1 port, 2 USB port, 1 eARC port, 1 optical port and 1 3.5mm headphone jack port, and it's also support Bluetooth 5.0 and dual band Wi-Fi. So if you want to buy this Smart TV X series, then don't hesitate, because it is the time to be smart. So I think you like my review. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and like my video. And if you need any type of suggestion on electronics, gadgets and technology, then write on my comment box. Goodbye for today. See you in next day.